In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Base44 app on your Wix site. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Wix website. From there, log into your Wix account using your usual sign-in method. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the dashboard for the correct site, especially if you manage more than one website. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid adding the app to the wrong site by mistake. After you're inside your Wix dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Wix app market. This is where Wix provides access to apps and integrations that can extend the functionality of your website. Depending on your dashboard layout, you may see the app market in the main menu or under a section related to apps, tools, or site management. Go ahead and open it. Once the app market loads, look for the search bar, usually located near the top of the page. In that search field, type Base44. As you type, you may see suggestions appear, but make sure you select the correct app from the search results. When you find Base44, click on it to open the app listing and review the details if needed. Then click the Add to Site button to begin installing it on your Wix website. At this stage, Wix may ask you to confirm the installation or approve certain permissions. If that happens, simply review the prompts carefully and continue through the setup so the app can be added successfully. This part is usually quick, but it's always a good idea to read each screen before moving forward. After the app has been added to your site, return to your Wix dashboard. From there, locate the newly installed Base44 app. You should now be able to open it directly from your dashboard. Click to launch the app and make sure it loads properly. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or checking your installed apps section, since newly added apps can sometimes take a moment to appear in the main dashboard view. And that's it! You've successfully logged into Wix through Chrome, found Base44 in the Wix app market, added it to your site, and opened it from your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.